You know you've got valuable long-form content, but getting your audience to watch a 60-minute webinar is like getting a picky kid to eat broccoli. Choo-choo. Here comes the content. If only there was a tool that let you breathe new life into your long-form content and transform it into bite-sized, shareable videos. Introducing Pictory. TLDR. ? Extract short video highlights from webinars, video podcasts, and demos, plus add captions, branded bumpers, logos, and music. Alternative 2, Descript, Subtitle, and Vidnami. Turn long-form text content into summary videos and use stock media assets, text-to-speech, and music. Best for content creators, marketers, and e-learning instructors looking to improve engagement, visibility, and productivity.